Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful sentences, 100 sentences. In this video, uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga interuro ijana mw'iyi video y'uyu munsi wa none zikoreshwa buri munsi. Bwa buzima tubamo buri gitondo, urabyuka ukoga mu maso, ugakora ibiki, ibyo nibyo tugiye kurebera hamwe mw'iyi video. I wake up early. I wake up early. Mbyuka kare. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Noza amenyo. I take a shower. I take a shower. Ndiyuhagira. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Ndya ifunguro rya mu gitondo. I go to school. I go to school. Njya ku ishuri. I study English. I study English. Niga Icyongereza. I read a book. I read a book. Soma igitabo. I drink water. I drink water. Nywa amazi. Mbibutse yuko izi nteruro zose zubatse muri present simple. I help my parents. I help my parents. Fasha ababyeyi banjye. I clean my room. I clean my room. Sukura icyumba cyanjye. I make my bed. I make my bed. Sasa uburiri bwanjye. I wash my face. I wash my face. Noza mu maso. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. Nambara imyenda isukuye. I walk to school. I walk to school. Njya ku ishuri n'amaguru. I listen to music. I listen to music. Ntega amatwi umuziki. I watch TV. I watch TV. Ndeba televiziyo. I do my homework. I do my homework. Nkora umukoro. I play with friends. I play with friends. Nkina n'inshuti. I go home early. I go home early. Ntaha kare. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. Sinzira nijoro. You wake up early. You wake up early. Ubyuka kare. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. Woza amenyo yawe. You take a shower. You take shower. Uriyuhagira. You eat breakfast. You eat breakfast. Ufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. You go to work. You go to work. Ujya ku kazi. You read every day. You read every day. Usoma buri munsi. You drink tea. You drink tea. Unywa icyayi. You cook food. You cook food. Uteka ibiryo. Mbibutse yuko uramutse ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'Icyongereza cyangwa se Igifaransa, nyandikira kuri nimero ubona hasi muri screen yawe. You clean the house. You clean the house. Usukura inzu. You wash clothes. You wash clothes. Umesa imyenda. You listen to the radio. You listen to the radio. Utega amatwi radio. You watch movies. You watch movies. Ureba filime. You use your phone. You use your phone. Ukoresha telefoni. You study hard. You study hard. Wiga cyane. You help your family. You help your family. Ufasha umuryango wawe. You visit friends. You visit friends. Usura inshuti. You go to bed early. You go to bed early. Ujya kuryama kare. You rest in the evening. You rest in the evening. Uruhuka nimugoroba. You work every day. You work every day. Ugenda n'amaguru buri munsi. You write notes. You write notes. Wandika note cyangwa se inyandiko. He wakes up early. He wakes up early. Abyuka kare. He brushes his teeth. He brushes his teeth. Yoza amenyo ye. He takes a shower. He takes a shower. Ariyuhagira. He eats breakfast. He eats breakfast. Afata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. He goes to work. He goes to work. Ajya ku kazi. He reads the news. Asoma amakuru. He drinks coffee. He drinks coffee. Anywa ikawa. He drives a car. He drives a car. Atwara imodoka. He works hard. He works hard. Akora cyane. He helps people. He helps people. Afasha abantu. He watches TV. He watches TV. Areba televiziyo. He plays football. He plays football. Akina umupira w'amaguru. He listens to music. He listens to music. Atega amatwi umuziki. He studies at night. He studies at night. Yiga nijoro. He visits his parents. He visits his parents. Asura ababyeyi be. He cleans his room. He cleans his room. Asukura icyumba cye. He cooks dinner. He cooks dinner. Ateka ifunguro rya nimugoroba. He works home. He works home. Ataha n'amaguru. He relaxes in the evening. He relaxes in the evening. Aruhuka nimugoroba. He sleeps late. He sleeps late. Aryama atinze. He sleeps late. Aryama atinze. She wakes up early. She wakes up early. Abyuka kare. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. Yoza amenyo ye. W'umukobwa. She takes a shower. She takes a shower. Ariyuhagira. W'umukobwa. She eats breakfast. She eats breakfast. Afata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. She goes to school. She goes to school. Ajya ku ishuri. She reads books. She reads books. Asoma ibitabo. She drinks milk. She drinks milk. Anywa amata. She writes notes. She writes notes. Yandika inyandiko cyangwa se note. She studies hard. She studies hard. Yiga cyane. She helps her mother. She helps her mother. Afasha nyina cyangwa se mama we. She cleans the house. She cleans the house. Asukura inzu. She cooks food. She cooks food. Ateka ibiryo. She watches TV. She watches TV. Areba televiziyo. She listens to music. She listens to music. Atega amatwi umuziki. She plays games. She plays games. Akina imikino. She visits friends. She visits friends. Asura inshuti. She walks to school. She walks to school. Ajya ku ishuri n'amaguru. She rests in the evening. She rests in the evening. Aruhuka nimugoroba. She goes to bed early. She goes to bed early. Ajya kuryama kare. She sleeps well. She sleeps well. Asinzira neza. We wake up early. We wake up early. Tubyuka kare. We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. Twoza amenyo yacu. We take a shower. We take a shower. Turiyuhagira. We eat breakfast. We eat breakfast. Dufata ifunguro rya mu gitondo. We go to school. We go to school. Tujya ku ishuri. We study together. We study together. Twiga hamwe. We read books. We read books. Dusoma ibitabo. We drink water. We drink water. Tunywa amazi. We play games. We play games. Dukina imikino. We help our teacher. We help our teacher. Dufasha umwarimu wacu. We clean the classroom. We clean the classroom. Dusukura ishuri. We write note. We write notes. We write notes. Twandika inyandiko cyangwa se note. We listen carefully. We listen carefully. Twitondera kumva. We do homework. We do homework. Dukora umukoro. We go home together. We go home together. Turatahana. We eat dinner. We eat dinner. Dufata ifunguro rya nimugoroba. We watch TV. We watch TV. Tureba televiziyo. We talk with family. We talk with family. Tuganira n'umuryango. We rest at home. We rest at home. Turuhuka mu rugo. We sleep well. We sleep well. Turyama neza. We sleep well. Turyama neza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.